Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Temperatures warming. Going to see some lower 60s and mid 60s today for highs across the region. Some really nice weather in general with the southwesterly breeze this afternoon, possibly gusting up to near 20 to 21 knots for the afternoon hours, but otherwise no chance of precipitation or lightning and some really nice weather in store. So taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we have freezing level 11,500 feet. We have southwesterly winds in the low levels, 33 knots at 1,000 feet, 26 knots at 3,000 feet. Then a lull in the winds between 6 and 16,000 feet, anywhere from about 15 to 20 knots. And then seeing our winds increase and back out of the west at 25,000 feet at 40 knots with the peak wind at that level. Seeing our current surface analysis this morning, we have area high pressure off the coast. That's providing us with the southwesterly flow. We have a cold front that's well off to our west over the Great Lakes into the Midwest states. Going to continue to move towards the region. That's actually going to move through for tomorrow morning and really not going to provide us with much weather at all, just a wind shift as well as some very pleasant conditions for Saturday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, we see we have, in general, clear skies across the region, just a little bit of cirrus cloudiness over the area, and we'll continue to see those sunny skies today with a very nice day in store. So taking a look at the European model, here's this afternoon, high pressure moving off the coast, and then for Saturday morning looks like we'll have that weak cold front trying to move through the region. Not going to see any precipitation with that, just a wind shift out of the northwest. And moving into Saturday afternoon, very nice weather in store. High pressure building in from the north, and that'll build in continuing on Sunday, as we'll kind of be wedged between a area low pressure off to the west, as well as a broad area low pressure over the southwest Atlantic. And that's going to allow us to have more northeasterly flow across the region with this area of high pressure building in from the northeast states, and some more onshore flow for our Sunday, more cloud cover across the region. And for Monday, we'll have a cold front moving through the area. That's going to provide us with a chance of some showers, mainly overnight Sunday into Monday morning, and moving quickly through for Monday afternoon with some breezy conditions by Monday afternoon, as well as some clearing skies. Then for Tuesday, we'll see a chilly area of high pressure build in. That's going to provide us with some below average temperatures for Tuesday. And then for Wednesday, we'll see a cold front trying to move through north of our region, as well as an area low pressure kind of cut off from the flow well west of our area. And that area low pressure looks like it should move through for Thursday. But right now, models are still kind of in disagreement of the timing and the strength of that area low pressure, as well as how much moisture is associated with that area low pressure. So continue to monitor the situation. Right now, it looks like we're going to have a decent chance of some rain showers for Wednesday night into Thursday morning for your beginning of Thanksgiving, but should clear out for Thursday afternoon. Then moving into Friday, quick look. Looks like we'll have a weak area high pressure build in from the west after that area low pressure moves through the region. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, a high of 63, a low of 47 tonight. Green chart across the board. Just some slightly breezy winds this afternoon, gusts to 21 knots, sustained 9 to 14 out of the southwest. As I mentioned, with that weak boundary moving through overnight, we'll see westerly winds and then turning northwesterly by tomorrow morning at 8 local. And very light as well at 4 to 8 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see a VFR conditions the next 24 hours. A slight chance we see some patchy fall across the region from 4 to 6 local Saturday morning, but overall, that should be over the agricultural fields and avoiding Wallops in general. Looking at our tides, we are slightly below normal, and Saturday and Sunday, continuing with that green chart, we'll see partly cloudy and pleasant conditions, a high of 66. Saturday night, mostly cloudy and slightly breezy onshore flow late, a low of 51, And for Sunday, we'll see mostly cloudy to overcast skies, slightly breezy, a slight chance of some low clouds late on Sunday, and we'll see a high of 63 degrees. So the next 7 days, looking like we'll have a 30% chance of rainfall Sunday night into Monday with that cold front moving through the region. We'll see temperatures a bit cooler than was expected for Monday with the change at 59 degrees. Yesterday I was expecting temperatures in the mid-60s for Monday, but with that cold front moving through quicker, should see temperatures only reach the upper 50s on Monday, and then see those temperatures fall during the afternoon hours as well. For Tuesday, we'll see a cooler day, morning low of 38 degrees and only seeing 52 degrees for Tuesday afternoon. It will be partly cloudy, so a decent amount of sunshine. And for Wednesday and Thursday, we'll see that weak cold front move through on Wednesday. A 20% chance of a rain shower late in the day with that. We'll have mostly cloudy skies on Wednesday as well, a high of 63. And then for your Thanksgiving, looking like we'll have a 60% chance of rainfall during the morning hours in general, with a chance of some showers, as I mentioned, mainly in the morning hours. Can't rule out that system slowing down for Thursday afternoon, evening. We'll have a high of 64 degrees on Thanksgiving, so we'll continue to monitor that weather forecast for middle to end of next week, as models are still showing a lot of disagreement with the timing and strength of that system moving through. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 and then 10 a.m.